Hi guys, before I get into trading today, I wanted to tell you that I did a withdrawal yesterday, took my account back down to $200, and I'd already done a little bit of trading after the withdrawal, took it up to $69. But I just want to show you today's date. The time here in London right now is Tuesday the 12th of February, and it's just coming up for 9 o'clock in the morning. So let me take you over to my wallet where I received my Bitcoin that I withdrew yesterday. So as you can see, I received this 16 hours ago, in fact, and I did this withdrawal yesterday morning. So I woke up this morning, and let's just have a look at how much that is. So I woke up this morning for this week's trading, okay, and it's only Tuesday, and that's £2,439.96. If you want to know what that is in US dollars, that's $3,130, and it's only Tuesday, okay? And I started trading Monday. If you want to learn to trade like a pro and be able to earn this sort of money, then keep an eye on all my videos. I've got lots of videos coming up for you to show you how to trade. And of course, you can get access to our training course. And the link for that is in the description below this video. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.